Hey Ahmad, why are you burning paper here?
Hi Shamina, I am doing an experiment about sulfuric acid. See, when sulfuric acid reacts with paper, the paper turns black. In this video, we will explore the world of sulfuric acid and its uses in pulp and paper industries. So let's go! Sulfuric acid, also called oil of vitriol or hydrogen sulfate, is a dense, colorless, oily and corrosive liquid.
Sulfuric acid production begins with the extraction of elemental sulfur, usually obtained from fossil fuels like oil and natural gas or as a byproduct of metal refining.
So now we are moving on to contact process which produces sulfuric acid. Firstly, sulfur dioxide can be prepared by burning pure sulfur in the presence of excess air. Next, sulfur dioxide will be converted into sulfur dioxide in a condition of 400 to 450 degrees Celsius and 1 to 2 atm with the assistance of vanadium oxide catalyst.
Exactly. Lastly, sulfur trioxide will be added with concentrated sulfuric acid to form alum. Alum is then diluted to produce sulfuric acid that is widely used in manufacturing process today.
Yes, in various concentrations, the acid is used in the manufacture of fertilizers, explosives, petroleum products and dyes.
In this video, we are going to observe the role of sulfuric acid in pulp and paper industries.
Do you guys know what is pulp and paper? Pulp is a fibrous material derived from wood, plants, or recycled paper products. Pulp are used to make high-volume commodity paper printouts, paper cups, toilet rolls, and cardboard. In the context of paper production, pulp serves as the material of making paper. On the other hand, paper is a thin sheet material produced by pressing together moist fibers and drying them. The pulp and paper industry involves processes such as harvesting and chipping, pulping, refining, paper making, and finishing and packaging to produce a variety of paper products. First process is pulping. To kickstart the pulping process, harvested trees are transported from the plantation to wood yard mill area. The logs are put into the debarking machine, and the logs are stripped to get the bark. Then, the bark are chipped into small pieces. After that, the second process is chemical pulping. Wood chips will undergo chemical pulping called kraft pulping. The wood chips are cooked in the digester with mixture of sodium hydroxide and sulfuric acid to solubilize lignin and separate it from the cellulose fibers. Pulp and black liquor are produced. Then the remaining fiber will undergo bleaching process. The pulp is washed with bleaching agent, chlorine dioxide, and water to assure all remaining lignin has been removed. As a result, the fiber is now become pulp. The third process is refining. Pulp is being mashed, screened, and dried. The pulp is made into sheets formed for easy shipping.
In paper production, pulp need to undergo paper making process and finishing and packaging process. The pulp will go through fourth process, which is paper making. Starting at the first section called the head box, the pulp mass is spread through a horizontal slit over a moving wire mesh to remove excess water. Next, wire section. The fibers will undergo sheet formation process that begin to spread out and take the form of a thin sheet. The thin sheets are fed into the press section where up to 50% of the water content is squeezed out. Later, the sheets are dried at above 100 degrees Celsius over a series of cast iron cylinders. But the journey for premium quality doesn't end there. The final process is finishing and packaging. A film of chemicals is applied to the surface of the dried paper to improve the properties of the paper. Another drying process is carried out to form white jumbo reels. The jumbo reels is cut into paper sheets. Finally, these paper sheets are then wrapped and packed into packaging before being stacked into cartons and ready to ship wood.
Hey Lukman, I've been doing some research on the role of sulfuric acid in the pulp and paper making process. It's quite fascinating. Have you ever looked into it?
No, I have not delved into that yet. Tell me more, Ahmad. What's the deal with sulfuric acid in pulp and paper making?
Well, sulfuric acid plays a crucial role in two main processes in pulp and paper making, the digestion process and the bleaching process. Let's start with digestion. It's the initial step where wood chips are broken down into pulp.
So interesting. How does sulfuric acid come into play during digestion?
During digestion, wood chips are mixed with a solution of sulfuric acid and other chemicals in a high-pressure vessel. The acid helps to break down the lignin, a natural adhesive that binds the cellulose fibers together. This allows the cellulose fibers to separate more easily, resulting in a pulpy substance known as pulp. The sulfuric acid also acts as a catalyst to speed up this chemical reaction.
So, it essentially helps in the lignification of the wood, right?
Exactly. Sulfuric acid is a key component in the lignification process, and it significantly contributes to the pulp quality and yield.
That's fascinating. What about the bleaching process?
In the bleaching process, the goal is to whiten the pulp to achieve the desired brightness and color. Sulfuric acid is used in both chlorine-based and chlorine-free bleaching processes. It helps to activate the bleaching agents such as chlorine dioxide or hydrogen peroxide by lowering the pH of the pulp and enhancing the bleaching efficiency.
So, sulfuric acid not only aids in the lignification, but also in achieving the desired paper color and brightness.
That's right, Lukman. Sulfuric acid's role doesn't stop at digestion. It continues into the bleaching process to ensure the final products meet the quality standards for various paper-based.
Thanks for sharing that insight, Ahmad. Hello guys, do you know there are many advantages of sulfuric acid in industrial uses? So, the uses of sulfuric acid in the industry include in metal processing, fertilizer, and water treatment. First of all, in the metal processing, sulfuric acid is employed in steel pickling, a crucial surface treatment in metal processing. This process effectively removes rust and carbon impurities from the metal surface. Steel pickling is a final and vital stage in metal processing, ensuring a high quality in finished product. Next, sulfuric acid also important in making of fertilizer. It is one of the key raw materials in the production of phosphoric acid, ammonium phosphate fertilizers, superphosphates, and ammonium sulfate. Sulfuric acid is needed to extract the phosphorus content from phosphate or rock phosphate to produce phosphoric acid or superphosphates. Last but not least, sulfuric acid is widely used in water treatment for pH adjustment and can also be used to regenerate ion exchange resin. Sulfuric acid is used to manufacture aluminum sulfate, ferrous and ferric sulfate, fluorosilicic acid, phosphoric acid, and zinc orthophosphate.